Hello everyone, welcome back. The series of Telegram mini app guidelines. In the previous video, we create a database and get the private keys. So today we will upload our Telegram app on GitHub. So first of all, you have to log in your uh, GitHub and here click on the new to create a new repo and choose here trxx mining and you can make it private and create repo and here click on the upload and existing files. Okay, right now we are here in the folder. So these files here for our Telegram mini app and the node modules we need to run the app on our locally on our system when we are deploying it on hosted services like Netlify and GitHub and Render and Virsal or other related platforms, so we don't need to upload these node modules. Okay, we will uh, select this all and grab it and drop it here in the um, GitHub. So it will take a few moments to upload the all files. So as the files uploaded, we will make the commit changes. Sorry, it's taking time. It depends on the internet speed. Normally it will be take I think half minutes to upload. Okay, so click here on the commit changes. So now our repo is created and it's private. If you want to change the visibility of your repo, you can click on the setting and come down here and change the visibility. Then you have to re-enter the password of the GitHub and you can change it. Okay, in the next video we will deploy our app on the hosted provider and we will finish this series in the next one or two videos.